This article explains how to configure WPS welders and machines within your project to ensure proper allocation and usage. You will learn how to select all or specific welders and machines and save these settings effectively. I showed you in a previous video how to create and configure a project. There is a third step in the configuration process. The project was configured, but the WPS welders and machines have not been selected for the project. This flag appears when you haven't completed all the steps in project configuration. WPS welders and machines have not been selected for this project. You'll not be able to allocate WPS and welders to weld joints. Now what you need to do is click here on the plus WPS. So this is the configuration of how you would use WPS, welders, and machines for this project. So you have two options. You can select all WPS, welders, and machines, which means all the welders at your account level. And the personnel, the machines, and the WPS will be available for use in the project, no restrictions. But if you need to use specific weld procedures, so you may have hundreds of WPS and you only want specific WPS and welders to be used in a project, then you choose this option. Click the Save button to confirm your WPS and welder selections for the project. And if you choose this option, then you need to select the WPS and the welders. So to do that, click Add WPS. And then you can choose by welding process. Click the relevant welding process to filter the available WPS that use this process. And the WPS will be filtered. So you select the WPS, one or more of them, and click here to load. So these WPS are being loaded. Now you can select the welders. So if the welder has been selected and has not been used in the project, you can remove that welder. This X button will appear in such a case. You can remove the welder, and if you need to add them again, you can come back and add them. In case you see the welders here but can't select them, that means the welder is qualified but out of continuity, so he cannot select the welder. So now we have JF1 added and WPS 101-102 will be available. So if you need to add further, let's pick another, these two WPS as well, and see if there are additional welders available. So you can see in WPS 103 we have two welders qualified within continuity, and then WPS 104, only FAM1 is qualified. In case you have machines qualified, they will appear and you can pick them here to be used in projects. So this is the Select Specific WPS Welders and Machines method. Once you've done that, click Save, and only these WPS and the welders will be available for use in the project. And they'll be displayed here. This button here, WPS, will be available. If you select the All Use All method, this will be blocked from being edited at a later stage. This article guided you through configuring WPS welders and machines for your project, ensuring proper selection and allocation. For more information, see related articles on project setup and welder management.